So many of you have been asking me how to actually set up the actual AirPods with the USB-C. If you've got an older version Mac or just the newer versions, you see that you've got here the actual aux, but you want to hear it with this. So basically you plug it in, and then as you can see, if you go to actual here sound, you'll see here it says AirPods. It's set by default. I'm going to show you real quick a little bit closer. So as you can see here, if you go to sound, here you go to sound, and here you click the actual playthrough. It says AirPods, but you can change it in distinctive. And here in built-in, you see USB. Now, as you can see, if you take it off, if you pull the actual USB-C off, it disappears. But if you plug it on, once you've configured it, it will actually go to AirPods every time you plug it in, and also the output here in USB-C, and then automatically you'll be able to basically see or hear any actual thing you want with the USB-C AirPods. Okay, so as always, if you've got any questions, just let me know in the comments, and thank you very much for watching.